Good afternoon, TikTok world and beyond. Wheeling Island Stadium. I know it's a different look for me. I'm sitting in a stand, so I have to wear sunglasses and a hat. But it's state championship time. 5 years ago, I never thought I'd say it. Heck, 3 years ago, I didn't think I'd say it. But Princeton's in the state championship, and we're ready to cheer. We're ready to have a good time. And Ben's sitting right here with me. My big buddy Micah back there. Ben's here. The whole family's here. I don't know. One boy's that way. People are that way. They said this stadium was going to be 90% Martinsburg, and they couldn't be more wrong. We're filling up 3 sections already, and it's still an hour before kickoff. Martinsburg has 8 people. So we're ready to play football today. Ben, you ready to play football?
Yes, sir. Go Tigers!
I'll keep you updated as best I can. Might go live in a little bit. Who knows? I'm so dang excited. I can't even find words, and that's, for me, that's shocking. Let's go Tigers.
Chance Parker. Number 3, Marquell Lowe. Number 5, Dominic Collins. Number 1, Bradley Moser. Number 8, Mikey DiGiacomo. Number 31, Wyatt Klein. Number 51, Colton Shockley. Number 55, Jimmy Bowling. Number 77, Chase Smith. Number 60, Eli Campbell. Number 72, Landon Moore. Number 88, Naheed Abaholton. Now fans, let's bring on the rest of the Tigers of Princeton Senior High School. The captain for the Princeton Tigers, Dominic Collins. Michael DiGiacomo, Hugh Campbell, and Chase Smith.
This is a head, that is a tail. Preston, you're the visiting team. What would you like to call? Tails is the call. It is a head. Princeton, or Martinsburg, you've won the toss. What would you like to do? Martinsburg won the toss and elects to defer.
Cody Page set the kickoff.
Wide open, you gotta throw it anyway.